Hello students, I'm back with the solution of the worksheets that we had discussed in the last session. Let's have a quick recap.
First worksheet was to draw a line to match the opposite. We had already done the first one, that was big, small. Now the second, day, night. Third, fat, thin. Fourth, hot, cold. And the last one, up, down. Now, the second worksheet. We had to tick mark on the correct opposite. So the first one was sad face, SAD. The opposite of sad would be happy face, HAPPY. So you need to tick mark over here. The second one, small mouth. The opposite of small would be big elephant, SMALL. Small, BIG, big. So you tick mark the big elephant.
Hope you must have got all the answers correct. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.